Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how the 1010 app works. It's actually quite fancy. It's a walkie-talkie app, right? So the 10 app basically allows you to communicate with other users and friends in real time. So this is what that page looks like, or the app, when you're actually connected with somebody. So on the bottom over here, you can add friends. You can go over here to the plus sign. You can manage everything about your friend. You can report, block, delete. You can go ahead and add friends here. If you are looking for your pin to actually connect with friends, that is the pin just underneath my name. And if you copy that, you can send it to somebody, or you can just, you can send it over. The gear icon basically allows you to edit your profile. So you can change anything from your name and your profile image. You also have power moves, which is basically how everything works on 1010. So there's not a ton that you can actually do here in 1010, and it really is built for one purpose. It is to be used as a walkie-talkie. So all you need to do is hold on this button to talk, and if you want to keep it on, you just hold it and slide it up, and you'll have various permissions such as your speaker, and then also the ability to mute your microphone. So it's very simple, it's very straightforward, and I think really it's a fantastic little app. If this was a helpful guide, you can drop us a like, and we'll see you next time.